Mama.
Mama.
Wilder. Is that funny to you? Hey, we're gonna go to the goats. Duck. You wanna see the goats? It's gonna be fun. Good morning. Today is Sunday. I don't usually milk on Sundays. Alice is ready for her breakfast. But even when I don't milk, I have to feed my goats. So that's what we're doing. Where's Raven? Hi, Raven. What are you doing? There you go. Today is pig processing day. Yesterday we killed the pigs, so it is a big day today. And I need to get the chores done. I overslept a little. So I just need to get this done so that I can get ready to have a lot of guests at my house. And I brought this guy with me. Are you with Mama this morning? Because Arthur has a lot to do to get ready this morning too. Are you enjoying Goat TV? Good morning. Wrong way. Come on. Good job. I kind of just enjoy hanging out with them. Why are shoes on your hand?
Because I want to.
Okay. Are those your shoes?
Nope.
Whose are they?
Bob.
Is anybody else up?
No.
No. Okay.
What was tricky one? I was guessing if I could open that present.
Oh no, we'll open the present when they get here.
Is it for also the old kid?
Nope, just for you guys.
What?
Have a nice day. Come on, babe.
Yeah. Did Bob go to the pasture with these shoes on?
No.
Yeah.
Come on, Mama. Time to get out. Come on. Done with chores. Who wants some breakfast now?
Someone's making breakfast now.
I can make breakfast.
Okay, right now.
Yeah, what do you have?
I'm being so careful with it.
That's because you're a big boy.
Yeah. Shit!
Good morning. Good morning. Where are you gonna put that egg? I have pulled pork cooking for lunch today. We'll have kale salad. We'll have coleslaw and I don't know, maybe something else. Oh, watermelon. That's what it is. Good morning.
Good morning.
You beat from yesterday a little?
Yeah. And editing last night. I don't know what happened, but I'm tired. I'll feel good in a minute.
Yeah, let's get some coffee and food in you.
To wake up.
I just think it's funny because we have all this good homegrown food and we're having cereal for breakfast. But some days you just do what you can do. We have a big day today, so we just need to eat and get going. But I do have to say Arthur had a genius idea this morning. And that was to just take 5 or 10 minutes and sit together on the couch quietly and pray and sing a song. And he was right. We all just needed that pause. But the pause is over. It's time to get going.
This is what I'm going to grab and bring down.
On the table. Okay.
Puppies.
This is my brother Chris, and today he is butchering his hog. And you're gonna do sausage and bacon and chops?
Sausage, bacon, and chops. Yep.
Awesome. Okay, go get it. This is our front yard home butchering dishwashing station. Here is our net tent to keep the flies out. Woo, look at that pork. That's yours, Chris, right there. Half of yours. And this is where we will vacuum seal and weigh everything just to see how much our harvest was. You know, you can get extremely elaborate and spend a lot of money and have pretty amazing setups, but you don't have to do that to harvest, butcher, and process your own meat. Yes, it'll be a little more work to not have all of the latest and greatest, but you can do it. And yeah, we hope that just seeing us do this without all the best things will inspire you guys that you can do it too. Was it frozen?
Yeah. So that'll be it. Those will have to thaw a little before.
Maybe the first one isn't frozen.
Yeah, this one is not. This one.
Yeah, so you can work on that one first maybe.
We throw it in bags, throw salt and cure in it, vacuum seal them, and you throw them in your fridge.
Yeah.
And then pull them out.
Yeah.
So, like hot smoke them and whatever. That's what.
So do you already know how to break it down?
No. I've done some parts of this before.
The
Okay.
first thing I'm going to do is take the.
Cool.
I'm going to pull out the leaf fat first. There's your pork belly. That's going to end up bacon.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, I agree.
Ribs?
Let me see. Oh yeah. Oh, those are so pretty.
Yeah, these are beautiful.
Could you eat that whole thing by yourself?
Yeah.
As you can see, I'm getting my newborn baby fix in. This is Chanda's newborn baby and Travis's. I'm gonna walk up, and they're almost done with that first hog, so I'm gonna walk up and get ready for lunch for everybody. Hey, welcome.
Yeah.
Reinforcements are here. I'm so excited.
A giant fermenting room for your salami. All the bacteria you want would already be in there, and so like the old salami would like seed the new salami. If I was doing it in a fridge, and I would also buy a mold to go on the outside, which is the white. I would like buy all that and put it on it.
Yeah.
To get that flavor.
Before the fall
You can get on my back. Can you say Mama's back? My favorite place. Besides Mama's arms. Yeah, rah. You want to go on a ride? Mama. Mama. How close are we to being done?
It could be done for the day. Everything's in the fridge or in the freezer. But we still have sausage to grind tomorrow, and I still have to salt my hams and finish salting my bacon and get everything kind of organized, cleaned up.
I don't know why, but something about you saying I need to salt my bacon made me laugh. I'm gonna take Wilder on a walk to separate goats.
Okay.
Wish me luck separating goats with a baby on my back.
Have fun. Have fun, Wilder. Bye-bye. He's waving to me.
Bye. We are not done. We're gonna have another day of processing pork tomorrow. We could not process our sausage because it is just really the wrong time of year for this. Butchering pigs is best done in cold weather, less bugs, and it's just easier to do everything because the meat stays cold. So we are going to just clean up and wrap up for today because we are really tired. That's all the stuff that we've got packed. These are our hams. That's all sausage meat. That's my brother's sausage meat. In order to grind sausage and pipe it into links, it has to be really cold. Almost freezing, but not freezing. Otherwise it won't work. So when we tried earlier, it was so mushy that we couldn't do it. So we're just gonna have to wait till tomorrow. Hi, babies. Come on, baby goats. Come on, babies. Do you love those baby goats? Oh no. Oh no, look at this. Look at this. It's pretty amazing how they figure out the fence is off. The fence is off because we have so many things plugged in and we have very few outlets because our house is really old. So the fence is unplugged. Do you hear your babies? They want you guys to come. You guys are fat and happy. Why are you out here eating still? To be honest, I've been wanting to show you guys this for a while. This is our neighbor's land and it's where they clear cut. I mean, they didn't clear cut, but they logged. And so I just think it's amazing because for the past 2 years it's been just totally dry, practically nothing growing. And now it is a field. It is a field of wildflowers. And my heart is just bursting with joy over this. I don't even know if you can see. I mean, it's probably not doing it justice. But look, daisies. And then this here that's about to bloom. This is one of my favorite flowers. That little flower that I couldn't get a good close-up of. There's a lot of it out here. And I don't actually know the real name. I call it fire pink because that's what it looks like. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys this. This is not a bad place to find your goats have gotten out. Me and Wilder could just stay out here all evening. But I actually really need to go separate my goats so I can milk them in the morning. Oh look, the chickens think they're getting fed. Hey, goats! Here they come. Took me a minute to get their attention. Come on, goats. Braveheart has found the grapes. Good thing you're only so tall. Can't get all my grapes. Go on, go inside. Go inside, go. Come on, you naughty little goats. Come on, Molly. Come on, Molly. Thank you. Good job, Molly. Okay, I'm gonna leave y'all here for a second and I'm gonna go get those other baby goats now that I'm not holding a camera. Found them. They were way back out in the old barn. Just hanging out, waiting for their moms to come get them. There you go. Alright, come on, Lucky. Oh, Lucky. You're so sweet. In you go. Well, putting up goats tonight was a lot more work. It was like a video of its own. Did not expect it for the goats to be out. Well, guys, I need to give everyone water, some fresh hay for the night, all the things. So, it's been a great day on the homestead. I hope that this video has inspired you, encouraged you, even made you laugh if there was something funny in it for you. I wish I had someone videoing me chasing down baby goats with a baby of my own on my back. We'll see you guys in the next video.